Next one is point E. And the next little point is the combination point of E and F. Means that we use our resources that we have efficiently and we use the resources that we have at the most productive. And it can happen in the case that the technology is
ไม่มีใครขำกันเองนะเนี่ย
and point G is mean that it is unattainable or unreachable, but it can possible if the economic growth. This point means that we don't have an ability to produce it. So in conclusion, let's see PPF demonstration. And the points from the PPF or the point E and F, it means that it's attainable or reachable. We use the resources efficiently. Let's discuss on the next topic, which is the efficient mix of output. To be output efficient, you must produce what people want. Let's see the preferences of the people in the society, what do they want, and then operating at the right point of PPF. Not only on the PPF graph only. And at the point below PPF, which is the point D, it means that not fully employment and inefficient production. Another one is the point above PPF, which is point G. It means the unattainable but possible if the economic growth happens. The economic growth we will discuss in another slide.
Negative slope of PPF equal to opportunity cost. Slope equal to change in delta y divided by change in delta x. This is called ratio. บอกแล้วเดี๋ยวเราตื่นเต้น Law of increasing opportunity cost. The more additional unit of a good being produced, the more alternative goods must be sacrificed. This will cause the shape of PPF graph in bar shape. Opportunity cost is increasing when production point move downward to the right. Economic growth. From the previous slide, we see the point G of the graph, which is called unreachable point, but that point can be possible if economic growth happens. When the economic growth happens, it will occur labor force or capital increase, technology and innovation increase. From this point, 2009 PPF is right here. But the next year, when we have labor force or capital increase and also technology and innovation increase, the point of PPF shift to the right in 2010. So this can call the point G from the previous slide. Success of economic growth. This is the three reasons that make economic growth. Accumulation of capital. When the country has more money, it can boost the economic growth, go faster. Then the second is technology advances. When the country has technology advance, it can help country produce more effective and efficiency. Example, like 10 years ago, we used human to produce car, but right now we use robot to produce car. It can make faster than human. Research and development. If the country that found the new product from research and development and sell to the market, it can also cause the economic growth because the country gain more money to sell the product.
However, there are still now some problems that happen to the poor country. The poor country taking the resource out of production of consumer goods is very difficult. Wealthy people choose to invest abroad because the political turmoil at home. So it increases the gap between the poor country and the rich country.
Okay, my next task is the problem solving for the PPF for productivity possibility. We want to go to detail like problem 1, 2, 3 to up for easy to difficult by problem 1, by problem 2 and by problem 3. Problem 1 we want to go to the gap what wanna be. Okay, anyway, we wanna go to the problem one for the detail. The problem one, where are the efficient and untenable point and what they are. The solution for the point I, as we look in the graph, it means inside the PPF. That means inefficient point. And what is this? Inefficient point is mean the firm or the industry use the resources in efficiency or did not employ in fully. On to the next. U point is the untenable point is outside the PPF that we call untenable point. What does it mean? Untenable point is the firm use resources more than the limitation of the resource like the labor and capital. That the firm did not concern about the limitation or the resources that they have. So it means it's upper or outside the PPF. That means it's not possible to occur like this. For the efficiency point, that we're gonna look on point A, point B, point C, point D, point E belong on the graph. That we could say the efficiency point because we use fully resources and we use efficiency about the labor or capital. So this point A, B, C, D, E, and F is gonna be the efficiency point. That is for the problem one. Go to the next to the problem two is harder one. Okay, next to the problem two. This is we gonna go to the detail and the theory and the factor about PPF. The problem two is explain how each of event affect the location of PPF. A. Government spending more money on education more than